Do you think I made a mistake in my calculations? But no. Especially I made such a notch for the board. Now you'll see why. We'll make 2 holes in the board, then turn them into small recesses and drive 2 expanding wooden triangles into them. Now you need to smoothly drive the board into the recesses, and the triangles will expand its end. Now it fits perfectly fine, and most importantly, such a mount is very reliable. See for yourself. Let's prepare a recess in the board for the bar once, and that's it. We drive the bar inside. Now we make 2 holes. Smear them with glue and drive the wooden plugs inside. After drying, we just cut off the protruding parts, and everything is ready. This is a very reliable mount. We make 3 holes in a wooden bar at the same distance. Now we'll cover them with steel plugs with sharp ends. Put them to another bar and apply a few blows of a hammer. Now we know exactly the places for new holes, and we make them. Pour glue into the finished holes and a little on the surface. Next to it, we drive the wooden plugs inside and cover them slightly with glue as well. Now we can plant our first bar on top. This wooden corner holds pretty tight. We attach 2 wooden bars to each other to put marks on them. Now we need to define and designate the middle. That's it. We'll mark the part we'll get rid of. Let's work a little on the machine and completely clean up the future recesses. The bars are ready. You can connect them. To do this, you'll make a hole at the junction. Then thoroughly lubricate it with glue. And now we need a long plug. We will also lubricate it and drive it inside the hole. Fix it until it dries and then cut off the protruding parts with a jigsaw. That's it. Quite good. This connection method is a bit simpler. This time the notch will be only in the 1 bar. And we'll coat it with glue. We'll install a 2nd bar in it, fix it, wait for it to dry. That's it. And now I'll show you a more interesting method. All you need is accurate calculations. So I cannot do it without a triangle. When the labels are placed, we'll mark the extra parts and go to the machine. Carefully we cut off all the excess first on 1 bar and then on the 2nd. Here they are. Let's start connecting. At 2 bars, cut an angle. We'll make a small slot right in the center of the cut. Now we're gonna switch them and then fix them with so many presses. When everything is grasped, we pour glue into the opening and drive a wooden box inside. After drying, we cut off the excess. Free our wooden quarter and enjoy the results of the works.